I'm here in Wuk since 2000, almost 11 years by now, which is kind of creepy. And I came here during my school time. I was working here for doing like database administration, and during the years it was just growing, and then we had at one point a marketing and communications department, which was really crazy. It popped up, and now I'm working there.
No, pravkar smo si ogledali center Wuk tukaj na Dunaju. Zelo zanimiva stavba, dobro ohranjena, več kot 140 iniciativ v njej. Prav lep primer tega, kako sobivajo na enem prostoru različne iniciative, in nekaj podobnega tudi načrtujemo narediti mi v Mariboru.
This is one of the things which like amazes me still after 10 years, because all the people are working here together, and so many people are working on very different things. Like as you see, it's like people who are doing metal workshops, and at the same moment, one floor downstairs there's a school.
Najbolj se mi je vtisnila seveda v spomin kolesarska samoupravljalnica, delavnica po vzoru Bike Kitchen, katero mi tudi načrtujemo v Mariboru in v prihodnjem letu.
V Mariboru gre za stavbo, ki je bila grajena v 19. stoletju, ko se je delala južna železnica. Gre za podobno zgradbo kot je tale, sicer 10-krat manjša velikost. Glede na razmerje prebivalcev Maribor Dunaj je pač čist primerne velikosti. In smo prišli pogledati, v bistvu, kaj je mogoče za tako stavbo narediti, ne. Naš namen danes je tukaj bilo pač predvsem videti, na kak način so se tukaj tega lotili, kaj so bile njihove recimo težave, prednosti, slabosti. To, kar želimo mi promovirati z našim programom, je tudi to, da je mogoče industrijske stavbe na nek način na novo uporabiti za nove dejavnosti, ne.
And yeah, still I love the mixture. It's just an amazing mixture of people who are like doing the stuff here. From like creative stuff and having at the same time also commercially, like, how do you say, well-going concerts.